Hey everybody, just got this new dog training collar from Slope Hill. Slope Hill is the name of the brand here. Dog training collar with all the little bits and pieces that go on the collar inside. If you want to use the prongs to get the shock here. Just got this put on and my dog is pretty small, so I had to cut some of the extra off here of the collar. So you got plenty to adjust it for your dog size, but you can see she's right here. That catches her attention right there. So it started a little bit. So when I play the beeping sound here on the shock collar, we've had one of these before and just had to get another one. And I think we lost the remote control to the previous one. So that's why we got another one here. And you can see it's beeping here. It shows you the indicator light, status indicator light. Comes with the little charging cable, you know, a little cable to plug it in, the USB. So we've charged up both the collar transmitter and the, the transmitter and the receiver here, the remote. So you can shock, you can do a vibrate, or you can do the beep. And I found that the beep mode works generally fine if she doesn't cooperate. In the past, what we do is we would use the vibrating, but she's been shocked in the past on our previous collar, so she does not like that. So she behaves pretty well. So I mean, she was running around a while ago, she wasn't coming to me, and so I beeped her a couple times as she came over here. So it definitely makes a big difference. This little dog likes to run outside, which is a big problem because she doesn't really want to come back very well. So that's probably the main thing, is if she runs out the front door. We're scared. We've been on trips with her in the past, and she got loose, jumped out of the car when we were getting gas one time, and was very close to getting to a very busy highway near a gas station, and really scared us. And my son had to jump to catch her. But you can see with these little collars here, if you have, the thing is keeping up with the remote. Now this does have a, it does have a little, little thing where you can slip your hand through it, little strap to keep it on around you. But these things here, you can adjust the shock value if you want to do the shocking. It's got the little built-in tool. It's got a little tool right here, and you just put these little prongs on, the little shocking prongs. Now you have to be careful to keep an eye on how it's affecting their skin. You want to take a real careful, close look at that. Also, it's got these little covers that you can put over the shocking prongs. So just a nice little collar for a small dog. Let me see, she walked away. Let's see what happens. Come here. Yeah, here she is right back here. Look at that. There she is, came right back underneath. So you can tell that she's a little weary. Another big help for this little dog here is when she's out, we let them out in the backyard to go to the bathroom, or just let them run around for a little while, and I'm ready for them to come inside. This one, the white dog over here, she always comes in pretty much no matter what, anytime you call her. But this one, she wants to kind of do her own thing and act like she doesn't need to listen. So having a little beep sound around her gets her attention, and she'll come running in. So a big help. So if you haven't tried one of these, I highly recommend it. This one again here is from Slope Hill, a little dog training collar, and help with some obedience issues for your own dog.